Hey guys, welcome back to my DIY. So we're here on an Airbnb. Some of the things we're going to do is simple items just such as our door stops, which we're going to need. So of course we have concrete walls, so we're going to be attaching this to the wall, then screwing this on. What happened was prior they used some type of glue. The glue pulled the tape off and now it's not adhering. Now you have to use cement screws to screw into the wall, and that's what we're going to do now. Pretty simple operation. I'm only going to put in 2 holes. One. And 2. We're going to fit them with a couple plastic anchors right here. Now we got the plastic anchors in place. We'll go ahead and take what we're going to attach to the wall. We're going to decide which screws here we want to use. I like, let me see, I want something with a short head on it. And I like this one. This one's looking pretty good. Actually, I like these better. You want to make sure that the screw's pointing outwards because that's where you're going to attach the door stopper to. All right, so you go ahead and get your first screw in. Then go ahead and tighten them down. All right, got it anchored into the wall good. We'll get the sand out of the way from what we drilled. Now you go ahead and take on your door stop. You're going to center it up in the hole and then go ahead and spin it on. And just like that, boom. New door stop, not going anywhere. Property maintenance, guys, done right.